Dan has been shopping. What have you been shopping for here?
Just engines. Actually, Paul's been shopping. It's not even Dan shopping this time. Yeah. I'm just doing deliveries.
Just delivering for Paul on this one? We won't tell anybody what it's going in.
No, you can't.
But we should have a look at it anyway. These just don't come up.
Not always. Sometimes. Oh, I gotta take the big strap off. There we go. Ta-da! Cool, hey?
Yeah, my brain is exploding with envy.
Well, that's a good dipstick, hey? The rest of it's in there.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's kind of neat, hey?
Silver, hey? That's the color. Jesus. WCFB on there. Nice.
I do like the fact that it had, you can see at one time, somebody had, this was polished.
Oh yeah.
Right, and same with the timing cover, so I don't know if somebody updated it.
Is there a serial number on the engine?
There is, on the top of it.
Man, is that cool. Look at that.
Yeah.
So awesome. And transmission is?
I'm pretty sure it's a power flight, yeah. Oh, it's strapped still.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Hung up on it. But
yeah, that would make sense.
It's a power flight for sure. The 2-speed. That transmission back there is way bigger, that torque flight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at those things. It's just so awesome. The cylinder heads are just the greatest thing.
They're just massive, hey?
Yeah,
they're just massive. Looks like something got hot or leaked water. Yeah. Yeah, kind of a cool thing. Yeah, there's only a number on the front, and it had said, according to the code, that it's like a truck industrial one, but it doesn't actually make any sense that it is, because it doesn't have any of the industrial stuff on the front, and it doesn't look like it's been too picked apart, unless somebody had changed everything on it previously.
Oh, it could have, yeah.
Very well could have, yeah. Could have changed the heads and intake and all that stuff.
Isn't there a serial number that would match the car it came out of?
I don't think so, not on the early ones.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't.
It's not like the B blocks where there's a big stamped number there?
No, well there is. It says C72, which the only thing I could find.
That's a casting.
No, it's a stamping. Look at it, it's stamped. Because apparently it's out of a 56 New Yorker, and that would be a C72.
Oh, okay, well that makes sense.
But then looking online, some people were saying that it's a truck Hemi from 58, but all the part numbers on everything is all 50, 55, 56 stuff. So I'm wondering if Canadian cars had a different stamping than US stuff.
Yeah, well, the C might be for Canada, right?
Well, C72 would be a 56 Chrysler, right? Like the body.
Well,
that's what I was thinking.
That makes the most sense.
Right. It's kind of cool. There's even stickers still on the valve covers. You can kind of see a slight, you know, imprint left of. What
did that say?
I'm not sure.
Oh, that's a picture of a spark plug.
Yeah. I just don't know what it would have said.
Yeah.
And the tube seals and all this kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's so amazing, man. What a find.
Yeah, I'm super excited. There should be some casting numbers, actually.
It's just so massive.
It does look pretty big, hey? Like when you really look at it, it's a pretty big motor.
It's just so amazing, man.
I'm going to take pictures of all this stuff because I know myself I won't look later.
Is that transmission cooler lines?
That's transmission cooler lines, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, kind of. This is really the most I've looked at it since we bought it. Threw it in the truck, drove home.
You have double pulley there, and then you'd have...
Generator would sit on that double pulley, and that would be if it had power steering. That's where the power steering would go off of, right?
So fun.
Which if we run a 6-volt distributor in it, we could still run all the factory 6-volt stuff in his car. We don't have to switch it all over, right?
Yeah, no, I'd run it just the way it is.
Yeah, that's exactly how.
56 though, it's a 12-volt starter.
Yes.
56 was the year they changed.
Yes. But that's easy enough to finagle.
Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, DeSoto. Oh, there's your casting date.
Yeah, I saw that on the... That's on the
1655.
Yeah, I saw that for the intake
So
side of
the
things.
engine can't be older than that. So that makes sense for a 1956 car.
As long as the intake wasn't switched, right?
Well, that's true.
Right.
We're kind of making some pretty major assumptions that it's not a put-together thing. And even if it is,
Who cares?
parts all work.
Yeah.
And it's not going back in a numbers-matching car anyway.
No. I know that I was reading there's casting numbers somewhere on these things. I'm sure the heads I got to take the valve covers off to get.
Yeah. Somebody's made these mounts.
Yes. I think that was for his engine stand he had.
That'd be great to get the stand.
Yes.
And then we can run it in the garage. Boy, it's going to sound pretty amazing.
The 7 o'clock in the morning fire ups, hey, just like...
Oh yeah, just fire up and have coffee.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Paul. Right here.
He's like, I have an idea.
Yeah, I have an idea.
I have an idea, and all it needs is a gigantic Hemi.
I don't know much about them, though, really. Like, I don't
No.
really know a whole lot about them.
What's there to know? It's a V8 internal combustion engine.
That is true, yeah.
Right? Yeah, hard not to be excited about that. Like, what a monster.
That's a pretty big motor.
Yeah.
That's the small one in comparison.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look like a torque flight.
No, I think it's a power flight, that's what they call that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll get that. Yeah, we'll get that whistling away. If you
Right on. Well, I got any accessories you need, generator and all that stuff, if you can't use what you've got.
Maybe it didn't have power steering. Maybe it just went around here. It was a double pulley on this.
Mm-hmm.
That's very possible. Either way, the car doesn't... the vehicle does not have power steering that it would go in, so it wouldn't much matter.
Yeah. You could put it in the M7.
Oh, the M715. I actually thought about that. That'd be pretty badass. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, then you could definitely... you'd have the fortunate son on rewind.
Oh, yeah. The WCFB to thermoquad swap. Yeah. And then some mid-70s air cleaner on it.
Yeah, right. Put a 70s...
Dual snorkel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the little choke heater is still intact. Is this a vacuum secondary?
Sure looks like it. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Yeah.
Huh.
Early design of it. Oh, those secondaries haven't been open in a really long time. The primaries definitely have. They're clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a little dash pod there. That's typical of automatic equipped cars.
Oh, is it just spring back?
Just to slow it down.
Works amazing.
Just so it doesn't stall.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah. Boy, they tucked those manifolds right against the block.
Perfect.
Yeah. That'll drop right in.
Yeah. Oh, that makes it a lot easier for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For your plan.
Yeah. We'll see what that is.
Stay tuned for Dan and Paul's Hemi adventure. Well, it'll certainly pep up the car it's going into.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Watch people think it's the Model A.
Well, I did at first, but I knew you wouldn't do it.
No, that car's too nice.
Yeah.
Could you imagine this though? If the fenders like the side of the hood off?
Oh yeah,
like the hood.
The rest of it stock.
Just leave it bone stock. Yeah.
The thing with this engine is it anything you put it into, this is like Eddie
275 or 280 horse
yeah.
with a 4-barrel on them.
Yeah.
And then the 300B with 340 horse with dual carbs.
Yeah. Well, there's your answer. This thing is going to sound so incredible.
I just want to hear what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I just want to get a stand and everything set up for it.
Yeah, we got to hear it run.
Yeah.
So, next time on Will It Run?
Firepower.
Chrysler 354 Hemi. Firepower, yeah, that's what's going to be coming out the tailpipes on this thing, eh? Some fire.
The Cadillac's lacking working engine.
Nah. It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.